Managing IT service requests can feel like a never ending juggling act. Tickets pile up, communication breakdown, and SLS slip through the crack. What if there was a way to streamline your IT service management processes and deliver exceptional support? Welcome to Top Desk, the ultimate platform for ITSM this year. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use TopDesk to manage all the basic information, overall information, how you can track performance and improve customer satisfaction. So before we get started, let's break down what's make TopDesk stand out. According to the website, TopDesk is an all-in-one IT service management, which is in short it's called as ITSM platform designed to help businesses, right? If you just go to the solution, you can see here it will help you to manage service requests. To streamline ticket creations, assignment, and resolution with customizable workflows, monitor and resolve issues efficiency while minimizing downtime, use automation to reduce repetitive tasks and improve response time, generate insights into SLS compliance, team productivity, and customer satisfaction. Right. And there's some more features which I like about, which is, there is a cloud-based and accessible from any device. It can integrate seamlessly with tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Zendesk. AI-powered insights to predict trends and recommend actions. To get started with TopDesk, visit topdesk.com and request a demo, which you can see here on the right side corner. Before that, let's go and talk about the pricing. So this is a pricing tab. This is really important because in the end, you have to pay for this software or this application, this service, right? And here, before request a quote, you can see here there are around three plans: the essential, engaged, and excellent. As you can see here, there's a no price given because you have to ask them, right? So you can just go and click on request a quote, right? So if I just go and click on request a code, here I have to enter my name, prefix, and all this information, number, a business email. Make sure it's a business email, not a personal email. Click on I agree and click on get price code. So they will tell you, they will ask you some more information, what's your business and how you're gonna use it, how you're gonna integrate it, right? All those normal questions, and they will help you to know the exact price you have to pay. Right. Now, after that, well, you have to just go and click on get a demo. And here it will just verify, enter all this information, click on book a demo. Now, what will happen from some team member from TopDesk will come back to you, right? They will reach you through email and they will help you to show a demo. Make sure you have enough time. You can schedule a day whenever you're free to, to get all this information for the demo. You can do this and then you can pay the pricing, you can request the code, and once you're satisfied with, you can obviously use it. And one more thing, guys, for example, if you want to just try out that whether this is a good or not before going for a demo, before showing all these requests and codes, so just go and click on or try a desk online, right? Top desk online. So sorry. Now you will find it in the pricing section. This is how it's look. So I will just enter my name here, right? And then my business email and just fill up all this information and click on start free trial. By the way, there's a no credit card required, so that's fine. And here it says that thanks for trying out TopDesk. We have sent a login credential to your email address and you will receive it in the next 15 minutes. Please check your spam folder or reach out to us if you don't receive it. Now, as you can see here, I received the email and below there's some of the critical information, which again, obviously I can't show you. There's a link given, there's a username as well as there's a password given. So you can just try this out. So you have to just go and click on given link and this is how it's look. And here you have to enter the username and password and click on login. I'm logging into operator, right? Now somehow I'm not able to log in, so I will just go back and try to log in self-service portal. Self-service portal is want to see how your end user can easily log their own request and solve problem without your department help. The operator section is want to know how your agent can easily manage incident, keep track of assets, and create report. Check out the operator section. Right, so these are the two difference. So I logged in into operator, and as you can see here, it says retrieving data, as well as I got a new email. Here it shows me the main features and the new features, for example, the incident management and So self-service portal, the dashboard reporting, asset management, right? There's a lot more features which TopDesk provide, and you can just pause this video and you can read it by yourself, or you can try the demo by yourself. Now here it says welcome to the TopDesk trial, right? I have a trial for 30 days for completely free, so I can just go and read it. Now let's get into this and I will explain you each and everything. So once you're ready, first of all, you can customize your dashboard. So you can tailor the interface to fit your workflow by adding widgets like ticket queues, performance charts, or SLA trackers. So on the top left side corner, you will see this menu bar. This is a home icon, right? So here you can see this is a search bar. This is bookmarks. So if I just go and click on here, all the bookmarks will show up here. And this is caller cards. So here you can see, as you can see here, the new tab will keep opening. You have to just enter the name and the branch, and then you will able to call. Although we will just get into the deeply here. This is a new first line, the second line, the new request for change, and there's a lot more. For example, new visitor, reservation planners, and there's a lot. This is the information tab. You can expand and collapse this up, as you can see here. This is really interesting. If I want to go to the home, so here you can see, right? So this is basically the home. On the top right side corner, this is an open user manual. So you can just go to your profile setting. You can change all the settings as you want, right? So you can use TopDesk import tool to bring in existing data. That is what majorly useful, right? So this is a widget section, by the way, which I was talking. So I can add all the widgets. For example, I can add a task, right? And click on OK. I have to put a title name, and here, as you can see here, the task list has been added. So you can customize this up. I can just put it here, right? For example, I like it here, so it's showing up here. You can also set permissions in the settings here in my settings. Right now here I can set up, for example, whether you want to make invisible to caller, you can just put here visible or invisible. You can show your availability, your language, your accessibility, right? So there's a lot more features. You can edit this, your dashboard. So for example, which section you want on the menu section, right? And there's a lot more features, right? For example, there are only these sections, but I can add, for example, I want issue and returns. I will just put it here. Now the issue and return will be come up here, and click on save. Now you will see one more option has been added here. Now this is really interesting, right? And the define user roles and permission to ensure team members have access to the right tool and information. One of the TopDesk core feature is its availability to manage service requests very efficiently. Now here's how to use it really effectively. So navigate to the ticket section and click on a new ticket, which you will find it here, right? This is a new visitor, and you can enter details like request type and, for example, a priority level and assignee. You can predefine workflows to route tickets to the appropriate team or individual. You can add notes to attachment to provide additional context, right? You can update ticket status as you work through the resolution process, right? Notify users when the request has been resolved, right? So this tools ensures no ticket falls through the crack and customers stay informed. The fourth thing which I really like, that is a tracking incident and problems, right? And here tracking incidents and problem is critical for minimizing downtime and improving service quality. So TopDesk make it easy to monitor and resolve issue. Navigate to the incident section here, which you can find here. If you're not able to find it, just go to the edit tab, right? And here you will find it, right? You can always you can add shortcuts, and there's a lot more features, right? And here enter details like impact, urgency, and effective system. Use TopDesk problem management tool to analyze recurring incidents and identify underlying causes. So create an action plan to address root cause and prevent future incident. Right, automotive is where TopDesk truly shines. Here's how to set up. So you can set up trigger points, you can streamline notifications, and you can automate almost each and everything. And the end thing is that you can analyze the performance. So finally, TopDesk provides powerful reporting tools to help you analyze performance and optimize your ITSM process, right? Use these insights to identify bottleneck, recognize top performer, and refine your strategies. You can also expect reports in various formats of presentations or audits. And there you have it, a complete guide to use TopDesk to streamline IT service management. Whether you are managing tickets, tracking incidents, or analyzing performance, TopDesk has all the tools for you. If you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe.